Download and open the Ride Vision Pro app and tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Connect to your unit's Wi-Fi network and return to the app. Now that you're connected, you can customize your unit settings. Easily adjust LED intensity for daytime, twilight, and nighttime riding. Return to the settings menu. Customize the system's alert sensitivity and personalize the experience for your riding style. View stats from every ride, including alert history, GPS ride maps, distance traveled, and more. Access and download videos from the unit's cameras. Ride Vision Pro 2 has internal memory with up to 3 hours of recording time. Easily toggle between front and rear wide-angle HD camera views. Ride Vision Pro 2 adds blind spot, forward collision, dangerous overtake, and distance keeping alerts with non-intrusive LEDs, plus a front and rear dash cam with auto loop recording to any ride. Ride safe with Ride Vision.